Learning any new software can be very frustrating, but let me help you to develop your Canva skills by creating some fun cards. Hello, my name's Loretta Cowles. I'm a Master Certified Coach, artwork journaling instructor, and the founder of heartfeltdoodling.com. I help people to enhance their lives by combining creativity with life coaching tools. And one of the favourite tools that I like to create are affirmation cards, or courage cards as I sometimes call these. And these are lovely, but they can be quite time consuming to create in Paint. So I decided to come up with a new way of doing it using Canva. And since doing so many people have asked me how I created them, so I decided to put together a course which is suitable for people even if they've got no experience in Canva to learn how to make these cards. What you'll learn in this class is how to make 4 different styles of cards from scratch, and then how to either print them out and make them at home, or use them as digital assets. And without ever having to touch a camera, I can show you how within Canva you can create images like this easily. I'll first show you how to set up and measure the page, and then add grid lines and frames. We'll then go on to create different backgrounds and text designs, either from images already within Canva, or I'll show you how you can upload your own images. As a bonus in this course, I've also included a video on how I generate my own AI backgrounds, my own images, using Canva Magic Studio. After you've made your cards in Canva, I'll then go on to show you how you can print them out and make them into physical cards. Or, if you prefer, you could create them as digital downloads and then sell them on places such as Etsy. For the project, you'll get to create 4 cards of your own. My cards are all based on motivational sayings, but you can create any cards you like. There are so many different uses for these cards. For example, in education, in gaming, as business cards. And you could even go on to create your own card deck of spiritual cards, such as tarot cards. All you need in order to create the physical cards, in addition to Canva, is access to a colour printer, some paper, scissors and glue. These cards are really easy and quick to create and are a great way to learn Canva. And if you've got any questions, I'll be available to help you along the way. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside.